Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your iPhone is up to date and Siri is enabled. This prevents missing options. Once done, back up your device to iCloud or Finder so you can revert if needed. Next, open Settings and go straight to Siri and search. You need these toggles on Listen for Hey Siri, press Side button before changing appearance. Make sure battery and network are stable. Animations can behave differently when low power or offline. Now you change how Siri looks and behaves. Go to Siri and search to pick a voice and accent, because voice and animation interplay affects perceived personality. Then locate the appearance or animation controls on some iOS builds under Accessibility Siri and toggle waveform, visual effects, or condensed display. If the built-in options are limited, create a shortcut to present a custom animation or use an accessibility overlay. This gives you more control over timing and visuals. Finish by testing Siri across common queries to confirm the new animation appears smoothly. Listen and watch for clipping or lag. If an animation doesn't show, restart your phone first. That often clears cached UI states. Make sure low power mode is off and accessibility settings aren't forcing simplified visuals. If problems persist, reset relevant settings or restore from the backup you made earlier. And if needed, collect diagnostics and contact Apple support for a deeper fix.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.